What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And in this video, I want to talk about max pain, what it is, how I used it today to scalp $100, well, $98, out of the market today and put back into my pocket. All right? I got first introduced to max pain, people, in the AMC play. We would hear them discuss it all the time. Max pain is at 8. Max pain is at 12. And, you know, I understood the concept of what max pain was, but I didn't think about using it in my trading until today. All right, and this is exactly what happened. Over in our Discord, we were discussing the SQQQ, and we were wondering, what's the play on this today? Some people were liking calls, some people were liking puts, and some were not sure yet. And we just got to thinking, and I'm over here on my trading view, and I'm going to use the replay button, and I'm going to show y'all when we were discussing this, what the stocks or ETF's price was doing at the time, okay? Now let's watch the replay. This is pre-market at SQQQ, all right? And as the price was moving, we're deciding, well, do we think it's going to go up? Do we think it's going to go down? And then that boom, boom candle happened. Stop. This was pre-market SQQQ. All right? And it popped up like that. And then everybody got excited, starting to think, wow, it done popped up from 20, 30 to over 21 in pre-market. This thing's fixing to rip. And I got to thinking, wait a minute, something ain't right here. This looks like it's too easy of money. So I decided, let me go see what max pain is on the SQQQ. So if you go to maxpain.com, you can see what the max pain for any stock is. You just put in the expiration date, and it's going to give you a breakdown of all the calls and all the puts that are on whatever particular stock you're looking for. In this case, we were looking at the SQQQ max pain. And they make it so simple, people. The max pain for SQQQ options expiring on October 6, 2023 is $20. And I just seen that the SQQQ jumped to over 21. So that means the market makers are fixing to get their asses knocked off. Or you cannot forget what we learned in AMC, and that's the manipulation that they will pin these stocks and these ETFs wherever they need it pinned in order for least maximum pain that they will feel when those options expire. All right? So, max pain showed me it was 20. And it's over 21. 21.20 at the time. And we're like, holy shit, what do we do? And I'm thinking, it's a trap. It's a trap. And let's see what happened as the morning rolled on. It continued to fall. It opened up, it fell, it came back up. Things are looking good. And it was right here that I determined this was bullshit. All right? That max pain is at 20. There's no reason for this ETF to be at over 21. They're going to lose millions upon millions of dollars on this trade. So I decided to go a long put right here. And I bought that long put right here this morning. Now, right when I was buying, I said, I'm buying a put. Max pain is 20. This bitch is going to 1950 to 20. So I bought a put. And I told the Discord. And they were like, okay. And I seen one person was chasing it today. As it continued to fall, watch what happens. It hit the 100. And it shot down below it, and I said, oh, it is on with this motherfucker then. And we just rode it on down, and rode it on down, and rode it on down. All day long, people. Why? And here we are now at 1950, which was exactly where I told Little Green Candle in the Discord, this bitch is going to 1950, because that's where the max pain was. They would be released of the pain between 1950 and 20. So at 1950, I sold right there. At that point, I said that was enough. I sold out at 1950, and I let it do whatever it was going to do for the rest of the morning. But I used max pain. I knew this motherfucker couldn't close over 21, people. It had to go down below 20, or they was going to lose too much money. So that's how I used max pain. Now, let's take a look at the max pain for next week's QQQ options for 10/13/23 tells us that the max pain right now is 20. That means if as long as it closes right here at 20, then all of these calls are out the money and all of these puts are out the money. Only the ones that are in the 20 range will end in the money and that they would be accounted for, okay? But the question here now is, does it freaking matter? The answer, no. Why? Because this will be Monday, all right? And you got a long ways to go before Friday. So max pain, trying to gauge what you should do using max pain during the beginning of the week, you're going to make mistakes. Because max pain at this point is not really determined on what the market makers will be out of money until Friday. And then they realize, okay, we got to get this motherfucker to this price so we don't lose billions of dollars. All right. So max pain does not help you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Max pain trading, as far as I've learned, and I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a person sharing my experience with you on YouTube. The only time max pain comes into effect is on Fridays. Or I think I may have found a way to use it during the week, and that's with the daily QQQ and SPY and so forth. I'm looking into it now to see, can we use max pain, knowing what max pain is for QQQ tomorrow or Monday, can we gauge which direction they'll want to push? So I hope that helped you understand what max pain was and how to use it and when to use it, and why it's important to look at on Friday before you place a bet on any stock or ETF. So with that, I love y'all. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, if you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It helps with all the YouTube stuff. With that, love y'all. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.